So this is how this machine works. So by the way, Salad Master cook your food from frozen to finished.
May bagting na.
Kain na. Ibig sabihin, luto na. Pero sa Salad Master, ganun lang. Ha? Yan. Mamaya, 15 minutes, babalik ta rin natin. Then 30 minutes, kain na tayo.
So this is an interactive cooking demonstration, and so we are allowed to talk as well kung gusto may sasabihin. Tapos we will also talk about health and nutrition, and then of course magluluto tayo, and then after na maluto natin, kainin natin.
Yes.
Okay, so while we are like magkain tayo, we will also tell we will also tell you on how to get gifts, free gifts from Salad Master. And pagkatapos natin kumain, mag-conduct tayo ng pot test. So parang yun yung part ng ng cooking demo namin na ng aming demo na kino-compare namin ng ordinary cookware sa Salad Master, okay? And of course, we will run through the range of Salad Master sets if you will be interested. So obviously everything is for sale, and this is just for advertising purposes, and there is no obligation to buy. Okay? So parang we're just happy. And by the way, this is our part-time job and sometime job. Right? So kung halimbawa may mga customer tayo na it can be your part-time and sometime job as well. Okay? And if you sa Salad Master, halimbawa ngayon first time yung manood ng demo, so sa Salad Master merong binibigay ang Salad Master if you sign up. So don't worry, di naman kailangan mag-cash. Magkaroon lang, repayment lang, very bite size lang. Tapos, may ibigay sa inyo ang Salad Master na on top of any set that you will buy, okay? So, ang sinasabi namin lagi at Salad Master, we change life. We change life one meal at a time. Every time you eat na ang pagkain mo ay niluto sa Salad Master, you're changing your life, okay? So, sabi nga, milyon ng aming mga customer ay ang pagbababa ng timbang, pagbaba ng mga symptoms ng high blood cholesterol, diabetes, kung ano-ano pa na para makontrol yung mga health issues. So we are not a cure, but we are controlling health issues, okay? So are just few of the benefits, alright? So, and also there are 4 main reasons why madaming tao nag-i-invest sa Salad Master. Number 1, speed and convenience. So, a Salad Master, it cook your food half of the time. So, when you cook your food half of the time, you can make use of your other time doing something else. Okay, another one is health. So, we cook healthy meals with no salt, no oil, no water to retain the nutrition, the vitamins and minerals in our food. And number 3, flavor. So, I mentioned na hindi tayo gagamit ng asin, ng whatever, but then, ang malalasahan nyo later ay magkaroon pa rin talaga ng flavor. Okay, sabi mo, tita, alam namin yung mga flavor, but later on, talagang amazing si Salad Master. Okay, so ang number 4, ito yung mga gusto nating mga Pinoy. Gusto natin yung mga quality, diba? So parang, ang lahat ng Salad Master products ay they are like lifetime warranty. So when you invest in Salad Master, that will be your cookware for the rest of your life. Okay, and then it can be just passed through kung sino man ang sa next. Okay, so to give you an indication kung magkano, dito sa New Zealand you can pay cash, but then you know, most of the people here nag-i-invest lang sila ng bite size. So ang smallest set namin ay $50.29 a week. So that's a smallest set. That includes one of the electric one. Alright? So bite size lang siya. Huwag mo bilangin. So, kami ni Tito Marlo, di ba, nung wala, ang trabaho namin, maliit lang naman. So, like, it was 2016, March 2016, we invested. So, we call it invest because, sinasabi nga nila, when you invest, you have an ROI, di ba? Return of your investment. So, later on, ipakita ko kung ano yung mga returns. Okay? So, by the way, ang lulutuin natin ngayon, we will be cooking, kasi we're Filipino naman. Magluluto tayo ng sinigang. Okay? And also, sinigang, magluto tayo ng pizza. And then, we will be frying chicken, no oil, of course. So, golden brown chicken, crispy chicken, of course, no oil. And then, magluluto tayo ng pizza, chicken, sinigang, and then we will be cooking salmon, of course. And then, we will cut 5 veggies. We will cook it in, and then I will cut salad. So, if we still have time later, we maybe can make cake. Alright? So, mga anim. So, and we will cook it in only less than an hour. Okay? Right, so that's so where did we get our name? So we get our name from this Salad Master machine. So we always tell we always tell that this is not a gadget, that's a kitchen appliance, okay? It cuts your cooking, like preparation time, half of the time, okay? So, 1946, yun yung ginagawa nila na, and then later on, they invented the best cookware. So sabi niya nga, we claim that we are the best. So there are other cookware around the market, but Salad Master, it's another. So by the way, Salad Master is already like almost 60 years in the Philippines, and this is the cookware na binibenta ni Eddie Gutierrez in America. Yeah. So yun. So sinabi lang dyan, worldwide distributors and made in USA, lifetime warranty. So limited kasi hindi mo naman kung mag-claim ka ng warranty yung hindi mo pinukpok, hindi mo gano'n. Kasi, ayan. So, yan. So, parang picture lang yan ng kung saan ang, yung factory. So, ito na yung, pagkatapos nitong page na to, we will be cooking. Okay? I'm just aware of the time. So, paliwanag ko lang, what is so special with Salad Master? Ito yung gagamitin ko muna. So, number 1, space saver siya. Okay? Wala siyang handle. Okay? So, wala siyang handle, may detachable handle. So, it can be 2 small ones or just this. Kung mabigat, pero you hardly use this kasi hindi naman talaga siya umiinit unless this is exposed to the next element. Okay? So, space saver siya kasi detachable handle siya. I'll show you how it's space savers. Okay? So, these are all the cookware we have, and so we can file it like this. So, sabi ng mga tao, I don't like that much cookware. It's so, marami daw. So, you can just file it. Sorry, I don't know.
Same thing, wala kang space.
So, yeah, and you can just file it on your beds, and then you can just put it underneath your cupboard. So that's how much space you can save kung halimbawa wala kang paglagyan, di ba? Kasi mapatong-patong mo siya, wala siyang and kasi wala siyang handle, you can cook like kung katulad niyan, 4 yung pwede mong sabay-sabayin simultaneously magluto ka ng sabay-sabay. Okay? So, any question about handles? Okay. Another feature ni Salad Master ay wala siyang screw, di ba? So, majority ng mga cookware natin yung mga common cookware, may screw siya dito. Mansan na natatanggal siya, di ba? Okay. And another thing, nag-accumulate din siya ng dirt dito. At some stage, minsan, alam mo ba, parang nagmumuta-muta. Ayan. So, but sa Salad Master, ang kanyang screw ay nasa labas. Okay? So, because lifetime warranty siya, halimbawa kung may nangyayari dito, mababasag, mahulog, kasi, and the reason why nababasag siya, kasi masyado siyang masikip. So, you can just, just enough to carry it. Di naman siya na, So, yung anytime you can just turn it. So, ang iba namin mga customer, kung nabisita namin yung cookware nila, yung you hardly can turn it kasi it's been there, stuck. May mga oil na ano. But then, so ano mang mangyari dito, ang karamihan lang naman dito nakakrack because parang na-stuck siya dyan, tapos na-shock kung nahuhulog, di ba? But anything that would happen to it, we change it for free. Alright? So, kung halimbawa, you're going to Australia, going to America, so you just need to look for Salad Master dealer and they will sort your thing free. Kung ano, at some stage, some of the cookware, kasi ito bago na to, yung mga bilog, yung mga ganun, they are just selling it for a minimal, like $5, I think. But in New Zealand, they give it to you for free. Yan. So yun yung detach, ano siya. Tapos, kung anong mga mangyayari dito, halimbawa natatanggal yan, whatever, pero wala pa namang nangyari, 9 years na itong cookware ko. So, ito, kung ano man hindi na yan nagkiklik, ay ibibigay nyo lang sa amin, papalitan namin. Alright? So, another picture ni Salad Master, tubig pala. Another picture ni Salad Master ay ang Biko Bulb. So, nakita nyo dyan si Biko Bulb. Yan. Okay, it's actually a heat regulator to keep heat at 86 degrees or below. Because we start to cook our nutrition. Halimbawa, parang pag pag ganito, magkiklik-click na siya. That means the temperature inside the cookware is 86 degrees Celsius na. So, and it's actually when you're cooking, maybe narinig mo na yun sa bahay ni Taaya, di ba? When you're cooking and then it's clicking na, it's actually calling you, Ivan, can you please come and reduce the heat? So, parang you don't need to pat swat it for as long as there's moisture. So, it's calling you to reduce the heat. So, when magkiklan siya, i-ano mo na siya, pahinaan mo na siya. So, while it's silent, di ba nasanay tayo na nasa high heat tayo magluto. While it is silent, it's doing the job. So, this picture ni Salad Master, it's shorten our cooking time. So, parang pressure cooker siya, pero semi siya. Ang pressure cooker, it's high heat. But this one here, Salad Master is high heat. So, I'll just show you how it works. So, parang, ito try nyo muna natin. Lagyan mo natin ng water. So, i-ano mo na lang. Pakibukas na lang na wala pa munang pressure. Yan. Patry mo na kayo. Wala pa. Lalapit nga ako. Tapos, kung magluluto tayo, yung temperature tataas doon, di ba, salang natin. So, tapos kung matataas na dito yung may moisture na tataas dito, mapupunta dyan. So, ang mangyayari dyan, yan, di ba, may pressure na. So, this feature ni Salad Master ay, it cuts your cooking time. Okay? So, and kung magluto ka, kung susundin mo talaga ang sistema ni Salad Master, for as long as mag-click siya, pahinaan mo, and then, so parang wala lang, parang hindi ka nagluluto. So, sa ordinary cookware, di ba, kailangan mo may high heat, tapos, kailangan mo pahinaan, tapos kailangan mo haluin. Alright? Di ba, parang gano'n. Pero sa Salad Master, no pot watching, no stirring. Okay? And it's just, so this is how this machine works. So, parang, pwede naman, isa lang. Pero, this time, para ma-double natin yung ating. Tapos, lalagay lang natin. Ayan. Tapos, tanggalin mo lang muna to. Tapos, lalagyan natin ng sauce. So, you can customize your own pizza kung ano ang gusto ninyo. Yung mga leftover, pwede nyo lagyan ng sardinas. Okay, tapos, ilalagay natin siya ng lagyan natin siya ng mushroom. Okay? So, parang nahugasan ko na yan, ha? Yan. Kung halimbawa, hindi pa kayo masyadong sanay, pwede nyo rin dito ilagay sa loob yan. So, it will work ng ganun pa rin. Pero kung kung dito kayo sa labas, kailangan yung finger nyo dito. Okay? Otherwise, it's gonna be a bloody pizza. So, kumakain ba kayo ng mushroom?
Opo.
Okay. So, yun. Ano lang yan. And then, lalagyan lang natin. Normally, naglalagay kami ng tuna, pero optional naman yun. So, you can put whatever, or kaya yung mga olives, ganun. So, gagamitin lang natin. Ang lalaki ng ating pinya. Pero, okay lang. Tayo lang. Dapat hiniwa-hiwa pa. It's okay. And then, pagkatapos ni pinya, lalagyan na natin. So, parang, this is just the simplest, parang, vegetarian.
Opo.
Yeah. So, lalagyan na natin siya ulit ng cheese. May capsicum doon. So, it can be just, cheese. Dahan-dahan ko lang kasi, hindi nakadikit. Okay. So, how cheesy you like? Lagay mo na dyan. Yan. Lagyan natin konti. So, this is also, pero kahit na free siya, our salad machine is also lifetime warranty. Okay. So, ang aking ay matagal na rin yan, of course. So, gagamitin lang natin to. Kung medyo firm pa yung inyong capsicum, you can just cut this away. So, mas maganda kung red, but this one is still grainy. Yeah. Tapos, that's our pizza. We will just drizzle a bit of So, yeah. Right. So, that's our pizza now. It's ready. So, lalagay lang natin sa in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we will have pizza. Right? So, that's our mini oven. So, this mini oven, you can cook whatever you want here. Pancit, lasagna. That's it.
And for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, we will have pizza.
Wow.
And then, so, ang ating meat. So, hinugasan ko na rin to at na-pre-cut ko na rin. Okay. So, isa-isahin ko lang kasi ayokong madala yung So, by the way, Salad Master cook your food from frozen to finished. So, you don't have, halimbawa, bago nyo ilagay sa freezer yung mga meat ninyo, linisin nyo na at saka, hindi nyo na kailangan i-tutok, i-defrost.
May na-convince ka na, tita.
So, magawa tayo na So, ako, mas gusto ko medyo maasim. Kasi maliit. Kahit sa Amerika, ito lang din ang ginagamit nila. Pero kung gusto nyo healthy, gamit lang kayo ng lemon. Yan. So, ito yung malinis naman to, diba? Yan. Ito lang yung pinakamahirap. Halo-haloin nyo lang. Tapos, lalagyan lang natin ng so, kung yung anong normal na nilagay natin sa pwedeng mga sitaw, yung Baguio beans ka sa atin. Yung dito, round beans. Pero, nakalimutan ko siya. So, ang ilalagay lang natin talong. So, that's yung sinigang natin. Lalagyan lang natin siya ng
Bilis na pala sinigang.
yan. So,
Ay, iba ito.
Hindi ba?
yeah. So, lalagay lang natin yung talong.
Kala ko mahirap siya.
So, just note the talong, ha? Yan. Tapos, yung ito. So, normally, naglalagay ako ng parang round beans, yung Baguio beans pa sa atin. Pero I forgot. Nalisa. So, yun. And then, whatever you want to put, kung halimbawa, iba sa sample lang to, lalagyan natin ng konting ganito. Ay, meron na pala. But you can put this. So, instead na may sobra tayo na capsicum dito, ilalagay ko rin ha. So, this is just, I'm just showing you, you can dump everything there. So, this is to replace our sili, kung maglagay tayo ng sinigang. Para But you can choose whatever you want. Sabi nila, mga pisto daw, ganun, pisto ba yung mga ready-made sa... So, yun lang. And then, we cook it with no water, of course. And then, I'll just show you. You can also put, lagyan natin. This is just... Okay, so that's our sinigang. So, ilan na? So, magluto na tayo na. So, 3 minutes, we will have pizza. And then, we will fry our chicken. And then, while waiting for it, we will be cutting vegetables. Okay? So, parang...
Pansit.
Mahilig kayo ng pansit o ganyan. Ito yung gusto ko sa pansit na nila. Diba? Kung may mga party. Ayan. I have already washed this one. Hindi natin binabalatan. I'll explain why later. Yeah, and then, lalagyan lang natin ng frozen. Frozen corn. Okay. So, we call this vegetable medley. So, this is not the traditional way of cooking veggies.
Nagbagting na.
Kain na. Ibig sabihin, luto na.
Ayan. So, this is not the traditional way of cooking your vegetables, but sa Salad Master, kung mag-demo ka, pinapakita namin that you can cook your vegetables without water. And kung halimbawa nagda-diet kayo, gusto nyo healthy, instead of rice, ito na yung rice nyo.
Pero sa Salad Master, ganun lang. Ha? Yan. Mamaya, 15 minutes, babalik ta rin natin. Then 30 minutes, kain na tayo.
Okay, now Ivan, I want you to
Ay, nalimutan natin magsaing.
Hindi na.
Mag-isip naman tayo.
Ayan, at saka I want you to notice kung gaano kalambot yung karne. Kalagyan natin ang gulay. Ayan. Ikaw, Tony, ikaw main ka ng sinigang. Is sinigang your favorite? Ay, sorry.
Paborito niya yan, tita.
Thank you.
Okay. So, kanina, Ivan, naglagay ako ng asin. So, ang asin is still there. Pero kung di ba lahat, sabi, all nutrients are like, tawag dito, natural mineral, like asin. Ano yan? Water soluble. So, ang asin there, I put it there not to season the veggies, but just to show na whatever minerals in our veggies are intact. And then, kung napapansin nyo, hindi yan sila naghalo-halo ng flavor. Okay? So, we cook it with no water and look at how we cook the kamote. Diba? And I want you guys to try it. I will just, maybe ranin ko to.
Oh, tingnan nyo muna dito.
Dali mo na dito.
Yung
chicken.
Yung mantika. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadaming mantika.
Okay, Ivan, I want you to try this. And the carrot, of course. I'm sorry. And then, try mo na the carrot. Kasi kanina ang carrot, yung lasa ng carrot natin, yun yung carrot na una natin tinikman. Tapos yung mais. Yung mais natin parang bumalik tayo sa probinsya. Kasi ang tamis. Tapos ang color, ang sabi natin, color is equal vitamins. Ang flavor is mineral. So, yan, tikman mo to yung ano yung... And I want you to tikim the kamote without water.
Alright. Chicken, done.
Wow.
Ito na lang. So, that's our chicken.
Gagang.
Tapos, tikman nyo yung kalabasa.
Ang paano tito, maano yun siya?
Ayun na. Yun na yung ating mantika. Wala nang mantika yan ha, pero nagkaroon ng mantika. Ibig sabihin, nilalabas na yung mantika sa lahat ng meat.
Ito na para madaling
Higit naman.
Tapos ito dito sa baba.
Ayan. So, hihintayin lang natin siya. Mag-apply lang tayo ng heat. So, haluin ko lang para madilute. So, tingnan mo, nag-umpisa na siya kaagad. So, it's really a good conductor of heat. Diba? Haluin natin. Nag-umpisa na rin yan. Pero may pabagal pa rin, diba? So, we will just wait until everything will be diluted and see. So, to test our, ang kailangan nyo later. Sige, may alam. So, ang baseline natin ay